In this tutorial, I'm going to go over adding and deleting page sections. Every website is just a collection of headers, footers, and different page sections, and we have a lot of them to choose from. If you can't see the menu on the left, just hover over this arrow icon. You can see all the different page sections we have available to drop on your pages. You can see we have lots of headers here, different footers, slideshows, page intros, some of them with images, some with embedded video links. You can just drop a YouTube video link in there and the video will show up right on your page. And if you want to change this menu bar here, we'll just go into menu bars. We can find one that we like with the appropriate number of items, and we just drag it right onto the page. We're going to start with the header here. Say I don't like this header, maybe I want the logo on the left. I'm just going to hover over this gear icon and hit the red trash can and delete that header. I'll go back over here to my header sections. That looks like a good one right there. It has the logo on the left. I'm just going to drag and drop it right onto the top of the page. Now I have my new header with my logo on the left, and all the information from before should carry over into this new header. You just want to remember for the headers and the footer, whatever you're going to change is going to change across all your different pages. Anything in between the header and the footer is going to be specific to whatever page you're currently editing. Always remember to save your changes when you're done. And hit publish to make your changes live. And that's all for this tutorial.